another video is to talk about the commuting. I apologize for my hair. I was wearing my helmet, so I might not look as beautiful as I am, so it doesn't matter. We are talking about the bike here, and today we are going to talk about commuting with this bike. In the previous episode we are talking about how powerful it is and what to do with this, and what bike it is about the power and the suspension and all this, so go check it out. But today you're checking about this video, we are going to talk about the commuting, the everyday use. If I can give this rated, and the best is 100 and the worst is 0, I will rate it 60 for commuting. We are talking about the commuting. Dust is coming. 1 minute, stay here. One car is passing. One car is passing, ladies and gentlemen. So how about the commuting, what I like and what I don't like? First of all, I want to be honest and tell you, I don't like it for commuting. But why, if I don't like it, I give it 60, with 100 being the best and 0 the worst? Why I give it 60 if I don't like it? I don't like it because I have another bike which is 100% best for commuting, and I find it a little bit inconvenient. And I'm going to talk what I don't like in the city with this bike and what I like. 1 minute for the car to pass by. Yes. So what I don't like is that this needs always to have low gear. For example, let's say I could have 3 gear, third, I must put second, because does this. And when I put second, it's aggressive. Once I open the, do you remember, 1 minute for the truck to pass by? Do you remember when you was sitting behind in Athens?
Yes.
And you was telling me, can you go smooth? I said no.
Yes, I was telling you.
No, I cannot go smooth. It's difficult. Like this. So this is something that I don't like. Second thing that I don't like is the soft suspension in the city. When you brake, I go like this. Πώς θα πει βουλιάζει? It sinks down.
Yes. It goes down.
Goes down a lot in the brakes. Another thing I don't like about commuting is that the passenger is a terrible idea to go around, inconvenient. I don't like the heat which comes here.
Always talking about the commuting, okay. In the city.
And not only, and traveling.
Commuting use.
In a regular road I'm talking about. Also, I don't like the vibration and the engine after 110 kilometers, which is something like 65 miles per hour, something like this, I'm not sure. 110 kilometers must be 65 miles. Leave a comment if how many miles is 110 kilometers, for Americans to read the comments and know what I'm talking about, because we count here in kilometers as we are in Greece. And 110 kilometers is not that beautiful speed to cruise. And what I'm talking about cruising, I'm talking about going far away, like 5 hours traveling in the highway. After 100 kilometer, it starts to get a little bit annoying, Anything else? Another thing to say about why I don't like it for commuting so much. Nothing else. And now let's do another video. What I like, or in the same video? Same video.
What I like?
What I like now.
Okay.
I like the 3 liter per 100 kilometer average fuel consumption. With 3 liter only, you go 100 kilometer and you don't go slow. Average ride, a little bit aggressive, a little bit slow, a little bit city, a little bit highway. 3 liter.
If we open the screen now, how much does it show? What kind of use did you make?
That's a good question.
Okay.
Don't forget that I was doing tricks here.
Yes, you were doing tricks.
So I press here. This is brand new motorcycle, only 800 kilometers.
Take your hand because we see nothing.
3 liter.
Wait. I see only black.
3 liter.
Okay.
Here.
Okay, yes.
As I told you.
As you told us, so you don't lie. Good boy.
And could be 3.3, could be 2.6.
It depends.
It depends of your καρπός. Πώς θα πει καρπός?
Your hand.
Of your rib.
Oh.
If you are aggressive here, it goes up. If you are here like this, it goes down. I'm average.
Okay.
Average, and I got this number. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen. Yes.
Μην δείξεις τα παιδιά τώρα, λέω κάτι για μας.
Yes.
So this is something to talk about with the fuel consumption. This thing goes very gently with the fuel.
Okay.
It respects my pocket.
Of course.
Respection.
Respect.
Yes. It's a good boy.
What else you like? Positives of commuting.
I like, you stay here, I turn the bike.
Okay.
I like two things about convenience in the city, daily ride. One thing is that I can lock my helmet. Well, just a minute.
Okay, I know how you do it. I have seen you. Where is it? Here.
I put this here. Okay.
Okay.
And also,
Can I lock it?
no.
Ah, okay.
I always wear jacket
Okay.
because once you realize how hard the road is, then you think it's better to be protected. So
What
I
is
have
it?
this thing here,
Metal,
Metal.
string.
and what I do is take it outside from my pocket. Once I have this, I take out my jacket, boom! I put it here,
Wait.
and now I click here, and I leave it here as a stupid man who doesn't care about his stuff.
Okay.
And when somebody goes like this and he says, oh shit, either I break it with a scissor,
Okay.
or I need a tool to cut it, but I don't have time.
Or I need to get the hell out of here.
Yes, this is a commuter, ladies and gentlemen. And look how fast. Because it has this, okay?
Okay.
Let's see how fast can I go back into regular ride position.
Okay.
You film me from far away, please.
Okay. Immediately.
No, this is not the key. This is from my other bike.
Have lots of keys.
Once I do this, take the key, leave it here, I take it free, wear my jacket as normal. Isn't it fast? Isn't it fast?
A lot. Perfect.
So why do I need scooter? I don't need scooter. Yes, somebody can cut it. Okay, somebody can do this to scooter. Crack. Right? Here, I'm ready to ride. One more time, and I try to be fast.
Okay.
This secret, second thing, you get the line. Second thing, you get the line. You free it, to be free. One sleeve out, and the second sleeve you hold this. Boom!
Ready.
Boom! Say boom.
What?
Say boom.
Boom!
Not boom.
Boom!
So you can enjoy your coffee or your job. Leave the bike somewhere near so you have time to watch it once in a while. And don't worry about the stuff. Stuff is locked. And you wear it. Ready to go. So I always lock my jacket, always. Boom. Boom. And now, what's good about commuting with this bike? Space. You name it. I put straps because I do enduro, and I tie it here. I do traveling. I travel with this bike. Another thing is this here pieces of metal which comes from the factory. I didn't do this, and allows you to do some serious tight here. Look how fast. Boom! Water sandwiches. And about the commuting.
Oh, your favorite.
The cup holder, which goes here. Look, this is stays here. Now it's ugly, but I put the cup. When I don't want the cup, I take it out. And this does not go out. Why? Because when you put the cup here, you hold it. Doesn't let it go out.
Okay, I got it.
So no tools, no time. That's why I commute with this bike.
Yes.
Because of this future. One other negative thing is that it has something like 7-liter fuel.
Tank.
Yes. The capacity, fuel capacity. So it's safe to go for 200 kilometers. And when I travel at night, many times I travel like 500 kilometers. That means in the middle of my route destination, I need to make sure that I will have to supply again. But with my other motorcycle, which is 125 cc, the CB 125 F, I don't worry about this because the fuel capacity is 11 liters, and this needs only 1.8 liters per 100 kilometers. Good enough for 600-700 kilometer distance with one fuel. Another thing is the very bad streets in the countryside, not in the city. Cities streets are good, but in the countryside, who cares? especially if it's a small village, it doesn't have good roads, lots of pits, small broken roads. For the people who don't speak so good English like me, I have to make the language a little bit simple. And this bike can go very smooth, and I love this. So this was one more video with the CRF300L from Promoto.